You are from UK.
Assimalhakeem. Sorry, my mic was not working.
Alaikum salam to Allah. You are?
I'm Jaisha.
Okay.
Jaisha.
Yes, how can I help you?
My friend asked a question. If a person wants to revert to Islam but they don't want to do something obligatory about it, can they still become a Muslim? And before becoming a Muslim, can a revert? Is it obligatory for a revert to ask forgiveness for major and minor sin? What if they miss these things after becoming a Muslim?
What do you mean by don't want to make an obligatory act?
Like for example, if a person wants to revert to Islam and they do not want to do the hijab, for example, they have this intention.
First of all, a person who's not a Muslim is bound to hellfire, regardless of how good you are. If you know about Islam, if you know about the Quran, if you know about Allah or Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, you've got the means to go and research it. Yet you insist, no, I want to remain as I am, following my same religion. I'm a good person. Allah will put me in paradise. I guarantee you, you will go to hell for eternity. All what you need to do is just die. If a person says, whoa, okay, I'm willing to accept Islam. The moment he accepts Islam and submits his will to Allah Azza wa Jal, he's a Muslim and he has reserved his seat in paradise. Depending on how much sins he would come on the day of judgment on his shoulders and on his back. So if he reverted or she reverted to Islam, but said, I believe in hijab, I can't wear it. It doesn't fit me. I believe it's mandatory, but I am too weak. I'm afraid of what the people would say about me. And she does not wear it. She's a Muslim. And Allah Azza wa Jal would hold her accountable as a Muslim. And if she has many, many good deeds that would overweigh her sins, Allah would compensate that and put her in paradise. But if she not, then she will put in hellfire and she will be burned and tormented for Allah knows how long. Inevitably, eventually, she will be taken and then put in paradise for eternity. But believe me, 1 second of fire is not to be taken lightly, let alone a couple of years.